What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a recipe to make this DIY hair moisturizing and strengthening milk. So if that sounds like something you'll be interested in seeing, then you definitely need to keep watching. So the first thing I'll do is to soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed in water, and I did this prior to doing the entire DIY. I did this in the morning and I did my DIY in the evening. This is just to give the fenugreek seed enough time to marinate in the water and get all the nutrients into the water. You can decide to soak your fenugreek seed overnight. That works just fine as well. Our next ingredient is oatmeal, and there is no specific measurement here. I just eyeballed it to the length I felt would be good enough for my hair. So we are going to put this into a pot and add a little bit of water and get it boiling. You actually have to add water twice as much as your oatmeal because your oats will rise and you don't want it to be too thick when it gets boiled. So just add water that's twice the amount of oats you've added. So here it's ready and we are just going to set it down to cool. It's been sitting here for a while now and it's cool and it's somehow hard, so we are going to blend it alongside other ingredients. So here we'll add honey. Honey acts as a humectant to attract moisture to our hair. It also helps to minimize frizz, and it also has antibacterial properties that take care of various scalp problems. I'm just going to add a little bit to the oats. Next we have olive oil. I'm just going to add very little to the oats as well. Olive oil helps to add shine to our hair, and it also reduces our chances of getting split ends. And last we have our fenugreek water. I actually had to boil my fenugreek a little bit to get it looking like this because it felt like I didn't give it enough time to marinate in the water, so I'm just going to add that to the oats as well. Fenugreek is rich in protein, which helps strengthen our hair shafts, thereby preventing breakage. It also prevents hair loss and helps in fighting dandruff. So here we're just going to allow everything we've put in the blender to properly get blended. It's all set here and ready for the next step, and we're going to get a bowl and fix a stocking cap on it. You're going to use our stocking cap as the sieve. We'll have to carefully remove the stocking cap from the rim of the bowl and not let any part of the unfiltered oats mixture get in the bowl. So when we are done with that, we just have to press it little by little to get the contents out of the stocking cap. While sieving this, you have to make sure that none of the contents get out of the stocking cap without being sieved properly. And as you can see here, my stocking cap just tore and I actually ignored it, which caused problem for me at the later part of this video because it took a while for those particles to leave my hair. So if your stocking cap gets torn, I'll advise you sieve it all over again, or better still, double your stocking cap so you don't have to face what I faced. So we are finally done, and trust me, it looks as smooth and silky as it feels. And even better because I love the consistency. It's thick and it doesn't just spread on your hair, it actually sits on your hair and doesn't just fall like it's very watery, which is something I love. Now we'll generously apply this to the entire length of our hair. Oats has tons of benefits to our natural hair. It contains iron, fiber, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which helps to make our hair thick and healthy. It also keeps our scalp healthy, and it's very beneficial for people with dry hair because it keeps the hair moisturized by deeply penetrating our shaft, thereby increasing manageability, which is awesome for type 4 hair because we know it's really difficult to handle because of how kinky it looks, especially when it's dry. So oats is just the perfect thing you need to add to your regimen, honestly. Oats also adds shine to our hair and it increases the elasticity of our hair. Oats contains saponin, which acts as a natural cleanser and helps clear dandruff flakes from our scalp. Zinc and saponin together present in oats help absorb the excess oil produced on our scalp, which prevents the recurrence of dandruff. So we are finally done applying the oats and my hair feels really bouncy and moisturized. Actually, I can't get over how moisturized this makes my hair feel. This is definitely something I'll be adding very often to my hair care regimen. Please let me know down in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. Also, don't forget to share this with someone you think it might be helpful to. Here I'll be covering my hair and I'll wait for about 30 minutes. Just allow the effects of this milk to do its work. So we are finally done here. Make sure you like this video and share it to someone you know it will be helpful to. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. And if you're not subscribed already, please do. We are on our way to 200 and we would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.